In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace a sky in Affinity Photo. We'll start by opening your image in Affinity Photo. Choose a photo where the sky is clearly visible and the horizon is defined. That makes the process smoother. Once it's open, zoom in a bit so you can clearly see edges like trees, buildings, or hair. Those areas need the most care later on. Next, select the sky using the Selection Brush tool. You'll find it in the toolbar. Set it to Add mode and adjust the brush size so it's large enough to cover broad areas but small enough to work around fine details. Gently paint over the sky, letting the tool find edges automatically. If it grabs part of a building or a tree, switch to Subtract and paint that area back out. Take your time along the edges so the transition looks natural. If the edges need polishing, click Refine. In the Refine dialog, brush along tricky borders like branches or wisps of hair. Use the Smooth and Feather controls sparingly to soften jagged edges without losing detail. Change the preview mode to see how the selection interacts with your image. For an easy composite, set the output to New Layer with Mask, then click Apply. This makes the sky area transparent on the main photo layer while keeping everything editable. Now add your new sky. Go to File and place your sky image, then drag it below the photo layer in the Layers panel so it appears behind the subject. Use the Move tool to scale and position it. Match the horizon and perspective. If your original scene is shot wide, choose a sky that feels similar in angle and lighting direction. If the wrong area is showing, check the mask on the photo layer. Inverting it will swap what's revealed and hidden. To finish, adjust colors and brightness so everything matches the scene. Select the sky layer and apply adjustments like curves or levels to control contrast. Then use HSL or white balance to fine-tune color temperature and tint. Cooler skies work well with cooler foregrounds, while warm sunsets benefit from a gentle warmth across the whole image. If the sky is too crisp compared to your photo, slightly reduce its contrast or add a subtle haze using a low opacity brightness adjustment. You can also add a global adjustment above all layers to nudge the entire scene toward a unified look. That's it. Open, select and refine, place the new sky underneath, and adjust for a seamless blend. With a bit of practice, your sky swaps will look natural and professional.